Welcome back to the Cars Master. Today we are reviewing the latest Jeep Wrangler. The 2025 Jeep Wrangler continues its legendary legacy with enhanced capability, modern technology, and rugged styling that defines adventure. Built to conquer any terrain, it retains its signature boxy design with a bold 7-slot grille, high ground clearance, and removable doors and roof for an open-air experience like no other. With multiple trims, from the sport to the off-road focused Rubicon 392, the Wrangler offers a model for every enthusiast seeking thrills both on and off the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Wrangler offers a range of powerful engines, starting with the reliable 3.6 Yojak Chinhel V6 delivering 285 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, paired with either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those craving efficiency without sacrificing power, the 2.0 Yojak Chinhel turbocharged 4-cylinder offers 270 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, ensuring responsive acceleration on any terrain. The 4Z plug-in hybrid variant brings electrification to adventure, combining a 2.0 Yojak Chinhel turbo engine with an electric motor, producing an impressive 375 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque while providing up to 25 miles of all-electric range. For the ultimate performance, the Wrangler Rubicon 392 houses a monstrous 6.4 Yojak Chinhel V8 engine, unleashing 470 horsepower for an adrenaline-fueled off-road experience. Equipped with Jeep's legendary 4x4 capability, the 2025 Wrangler features advanced off-road systems like RockTrack and SelecTrack, allowing seamless transitions between different driving conditions. Locking differentials, disconnecting sway bars, and massive 35-inch tires on select models ensure it remains the king of rugged terrain. Whether tackling rocky trails, deep mud, or sandy dunes, the Wrangler dominates with ease. Inside, the Wrangler blends durability with modern comfort. A redesigned cabin features premium materials, water-resistant upholstery, and improved noise insulation for a more refined ride. The Uconnect 5 system takes center stage with a massive 12.3 Yojak Chinhel NCH touchscreen, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and seamless navigation. Optional features like a premium Alpine sound system, heated seats, and dual-zone climate control bring added comfort for long journeys. Safety and technology have been elevated with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. A forward-facing trail camera enhances visibility on tricky off-road paths, ensuring drivers stay in control even in the most challenging conditions. Unmatched in versatility, the 2025 Jeep Wrangler remains the go-to vehicle for those who seek adventure without limits. Whether navigating city streets or exploring uncharted landscapes, it delivers an unbeatable combination of power, durability, and modern innovation, proving once again why it stands as the ultimate off-road icon. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel.